Keep them closed. Yep. No, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Okay, here it comes.
Ready?
Close your eyes.
What is it, Dallin? A bike? What color is it? What do you tell Daddy?
Put your feet on the pedals.
What do you tell Daddy?
You need your, yeah, they're a little funky. Good job. We need to ride our bikes. Our shoes on. You see that? Thanks, Dad.
Thank you, Dad, for giving me a bike.
You're welcome.
Is it a motorcycle or a bike?
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
That's outside.
Do you want to go outside for a minute? Okay, it's kind of windy.
Yeah, that's my daddy.